on the old Bentley here. Wes has made a gasket there
It's all pretty light.
for the crossover because that one was nasty. So, anyway, and we put a fresh piece of hose on, right? Down below.
No, I don't have the right size.
Okay, we'll order some. Before we put that on, we'll order some. So, getting that done. Gonna do that. We'll have everything buttoned up probably today, minus the hydraulic oil, the mineral oil. Ordered some. It won't be until Thursday. Of course, I'm leaving Thursday. Not that it matters, because by the time people see this, it'll be like 2 months from now. So, is what it is. Anyway, moving forward. Progress. Good job, Wesley.
The old Bentley.
All right, Wes has been plugging away. He's got the entire driver's side of the Bentley reassembled, ready to go, ready to rock. So tomorrow, Wes is going to be on this side, and we should be close to being ready to go. The only thing we're going to need at the end of the day still is the mineral oil, and we'll top that up, and away we go. Good job, Wes. Look at all the stuff you got put back together.
Yeah, that was fun.
I feel sarcasm in that comment.
Lot.
Yep. But all good.
Oh, yeah.
Got it done. Everything's covered. Everything's nice. Moving forward.